discuss about the larval forms of the Echinodermata. In the different classes, you will observe there are these different types of larvae. In Asterias, you will have the bipennaria and branchiolaria larva. In Ophiothrix, you have Ophiopluteus larva. In Echinoidea, the echinodermates have Echinopluteus larva. In Holothuroidea, the larval forms are Auricularia and Doliolaria. In case of Crinoidea, the larval form is Doliolaria. So these are different types of larval forms. Here we have the bipennaria larva firstly. The bipennaria larva is having appendages on it like the dorsal median arm. It has a dorsal median arm. It has these preoral arms. It has these dorsolateral arms. There is a mouth. There are posterodorsal arms. There is a stomach. There is anus. There are these post-oral arms. There are posterolateral arms. So this is bipennaria larva. And this is the larva of Asterias. It's bilaterally symmetrical. You can see it is bilaterally symmetrical. At the same time, it is free swimming, means it can swim, and it is pelagic larva. The preoral region is elongated and the post-oral region it's broad. So this is the preoral region, it's elongated, and the post-oral region it's broad. It is a free feeding form and it transforms into branchiolaria larva. The branchiolaria larva, it's also bilaterally symmetrical. It has an adhesive disc. It has preoral arms. There are branchiolar arms. That's why it's called as branchiolaria, because its arms, they are specifically called as the branchiolar arms. It has anterodorsal arms. There is a proper mouth. There is esophagus. The stomach is present. It has anus. So branchiolaria, it has 3 additional arms called as the branchiolarian arms. They help in the attachment to the substratum, and it does not have ciliated bands. We did not see any type of cilia on it. It has 3 short arms too. So these are the, it has 3 short arms. So these are the 3 short arms also. It has adhesive disc for attachment, and the arms, they slowly degenerate with time. Then in case of Ophiopluteus, the Ophiopluteus, it has anterolateral arms. There is a proper mouth. There is a anus. It has digestive system. It has a left hydrocele with lobes and posterodorsal arms. There are posterolateral arms. So this is Ophiopluteus. The Ophiopluteus is a free swimming larva. It is bilaterally symmetrical. There is presence of single ciliated band. There are long arms with ciliated bands, and it has 2 anterolateral or post-oral or 2 posterior dorsal or posterolateral arms. It has a small pre-oral lobe and post-anal part. The larva is coelomic. This larva, it has coelomic chambers. As I said, it has a left hydrocele with lobes, and the larva is there is no attachment. This cannot get attached to any surface, so it does not have any adhesive disc. Next larva is Echinopluteus. It's a microscopic, free swimming, ciliated bands are present, and the ciliated bands in this case are well developed. There are 6 arms, which are the calcareous rods, and the tip is pigmented. The locomotion is using the ciliated bands. There is no attachment stage. So this is Echinopluteus. You will observe there are these preoral arms. There is a proper mouth. There are these lateral arms. There is posterolateral arms, anterolateral arms. There is presence of stomach, intestine, anus, and these are all the ciliated bands. So they have Echinopluteus have prominent ciliated arms, ciliated bands. Now there is one thing that this topic has been asked many a times. It has been repeated. The most important thing about this topic is practicing the diagram. The more you will practice these diagrams specifically, it will help you. You can practice them 1 time, 2 time, 3 time, maybe 5 to 10 times to just excel how much space is to be covered by the diagram and how much space is to be covered by the content. So practice these diagrams very thoroughly. Next larva is the Auricularia larva. The Auricularia larva, it's also bilaterally symmetrical. You will also observe a hydrocele in it. There is pharynx, there is presence of mouth, there are stomach, anus, somatocele. So it is found in the holothuroidea auricularia larva. It's transparent, it's free swimming, and it's pelagic. You will see that there are no arms. There is absence of arms, so arms are absent. There are ciliated bands, and these are well developed, and internally the larva, it has curved intestines. After that, we have Doliolaria larva. The Doliolaria larva, it is the larva of Crinoidea. It has 4 to 5 ciliated bands. There is apical tuft of cilia, and it has a midventral line with adhesive pit. It has a stomodium too. The skeleton is present in the larval stage, and pentacrinoid larva, it's also called as a pentacrinoid larva. So this is the apical cilia, the tuft that is present on the apex. There are ciliated bands, there is presence of hydrocele, there is somatocele, there are ossicles, and it has a closed blastopore. So these are all the features of the larval